I'm going to show you how to set up and run a Minecraft server on the Raspberry Pi, running the standard Raspbian OS. First, we're going to need to download the Java version that the Raspberry Pi supports. Here's the link. After that is downloaded, we need to download the actual server jar file from Mojang's website. Here is the link to that. Now after both of these are downloaded, I want you to drag them to your desktop and rename the Java file java.tar.gz. After that, you need to download a free program known as WinSCP. This is the program that creates an SSH connection to the device and allows file transfer. Now you'll need to get the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. Using a screen that is already connected to the Raspberry Pi rather than a computer screen, using this command, you get the IP address. After you have your IP address, you enter it in right here. And your username and password that you used to log into your Raspberry Pi. By default, the username is Pi, P-I, and the password is Raspberry, R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. And you log in. Now once you've logged in, it's just dragging your Minecraft file and your Java file into the right hand of the screen. Now once that's done, you can close the program, you won't need it again. But now you'll need to download another program, known as PuTTY. It is a terminal window which you can create an SSH connection to your Raspberry Pi and basically control it from that window. So once it's downloaded, you enter in your IP address right here, the same as the one that you used for WinSCP, and you open. And yet again, you log in as you would before. And now you have access to your Raspberry Pi. You can completely manipulate it from this program. Now, to install Java, you'll need to use 4 commands. This is the first. This is the second. Now, as you can see, it is actually installing Java now. I'll skip this bit because it takes a while. And once that is done, you enter in the third command. And then you enter the fourth command to confirm that Java installed properly. And if you get that message, your Java installed correctly and you are on the way to working your Minecraft server. So now that you have Java running and the Minecraft server file is on your Raspberry Pi, you then enter in this command, which actually starts the server itself. You hit enter, and soon enough it should start. Your server is running. To test this out, open up Minecraft, go multiplayer, direct connect, then enter in the IP address that you've been using this entire time, and click join server. And there you have it. You're running off of a Minecraft server that's running on the Raspberry Pi. Keep in mind it may lag quite a lot, considering that mine is running off the Wi-Fi, and it has a while to render the blocks because it only has 512 megabytes of RAM, so you got to give it its limits. But I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial, and I hope that you all understood what I was saying and can eventually get your own Raspberry Pi servers up and running. Thank you, and enjoy your server.